Hey, welcome to next short of Neighbor Fix It. I am going to be replacing the diesel particulate filter pressure sensor on this 2015 BMW 328 diesel. You're going to want to first start off by removing the cover here. It's just a press fit and then you pull it off. This will be the new part going in, and it's going to be replacing the old one, which is located on the passenger side of the engine. I already started removing the small bolt that keeps it in there, but it has two rubber hoses going to it. This guy right here, and this clip, which can be a major pain in the butt to get off. In order to remove the clips, here's another clip, a little easier to see, but all you're going to do is pull back on this gray piece like such, so it snaps back, and then you have to press really hard on that end of that gray piece, press it down and pull at the same time, and the sensor should come off. Just like so. So we have the exact same sensor right there on our piece. The two rubber hoses come off quite easily, and that's the switch we're going to replace. I just blow through the hoses, make sure they're clear, which they are. Tastes like diesel. You're just going to do everything in reverse and put the engine cover back on, which slides into those two slots, and then it snaps in. And there we go, put it back together. Quick 5-minute swap out. Now what I'm gonna do next is plug in my Innova SD35, which is about $150 at O'Reilly's right now. Pretty good unit, does airbag sensors, TPS, all your OBDII sensors, and just a pretty capable unit for the price. So what I'm gonna do with this is pretty much start the car, because right now when you turn the car on, check engine light comes on, so you have to clear the codes and see if the pressure sensor that you just installed fixes everything. So right now check engine light's still on. We're just going to scan all systems and see what it comes up with. So there currently says 3 faults. So sometimes you're going to have to run the car and it's going to have to figure itself out. You might not be able to clear those faults because they're permanent, but I think once the car figures out that the sensor's working, it'll actually clear those permanent faults. So right now, check engine is off. I cleared the DTCs, and I think I'm going to have to drive it for a bit to see and make sure that that fixed the problem, but I know we scoped the diesel particulate filter itself and it was clean, so it's a sensor problem right now, and I think we found the right sensor, because I wasn't able to get the check engine light to come off before, and now that I did swap the sensor and cleared the DTCs, check engine light is actually staying off, which is a good thing, so I think we fixed the right sensor. Come back for more Neighbor Fix It DIY tips.